a Tongan princess was born. And then came along a real island guy. Raised in Aotearoa, they became true Māoris, bro. Then they voyaged to Sydney, Australia. Away, and then he saw the princess at Institute and said,
mysterious girl, move your body close to mine. Come on, move your body. Come on, move your body.
"Hey, witness, will you be mine?" That's how they fell, madly in love.
Shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la.
I just want you.